So there is a 10 hours long tutorial trend on YouTube. And on an average, only 5 out of 100 people ever completes those tutorials. In this video, I'm going to give you 7 steps which you can utilize so that you can cover those 10 hours long tutorial in just 1 hour. So the first point is to give yourself permission to not complete those tutorials. See, tutorials are mostly comprehensive. They are long, and there is a reason, because they want you to teach everything, but you don't have to learn everything. So what you can do, you can extract information from those tutorials and use that instead of going through all 10 hours, right? You don't have to do that. And how can you do that? Here comes the second point, is to use AI. Pretty simple. Let's say you have chapters. Let's say you have 30, 40, 50 chapters in that 10 hours, right? What you can do, you can copy those chapters, paste it on Claude or ChatGPT and ask that, I am a junior in this field. Can you tell me which tutorials or which chapters I can skip and which are more important? So this way, maybe Claude will say, do chapter 1, 5, 8, 15, 16, random number I'm just giving, right? Do that. So maybe they'll just squeeze your chapters in half. Now, instead of learning everything in 10 hours, now you can all do that in 5 hours. And point number 3 is go straight into projects. Most of the long tutorials have projects at the end, right? So after doing, let's say, the basics, don't go for the chapters. What do? You go to the projects and start doing that. And when you get stuck, you come back to the chapters. In this way, you create this loop, and completing a project which is 1 hour long usually is relatively easier than to do the 9-hour course first and then do the project, because most of the time project is the most important thing, and you won't do that because you feel like, oh, I have to spend all 9 hours before I jump to the project. You don't have to. Do the project first. First of all, you do the basic, do the project, and create this loop, and trust me, this will save you hours. Point number 4 is pretty basic. Instead of going at regular speed, go with 1.5x or 2x speed. See, I make tutorials, and in tutorials, I speak very slowly so that I'm able to teach what I'm thinking, what is in my mind. I need to show that, right? So in order to process that, I try to speak slow so that I have everything in my mind what I want to tell you. But when you're listening, you can skip a lot of that stuff. You can even skip certain parts, or you can just like go on 2x speed and try to just get it, okay, what I'm trying to say, and just move on to the next chapter. 5th point is on taking notes. This is a classic mistake like I've been doing for years. Like I was just taking notes of everything. Whatever the instructor is saying, I'm just making notes or typing it, and 99% of the time I won't go back to these notes. So you don't have to take notes on everything. You need to have a strategy on note taking. Let me give you an example. Let's say you're learning React and you need to understand what is a use state hook, right? So don't say like use state is a React hook for state management. Change it to add state, import use state, call it in a component. Now this change of word, when you read in your documentation or when you read in your notes, you'll see like, oh, that's how you use the use state hook. And that brings to my 6th point, which is to read documentation. When you feel like you are getting like what the instructor is saying, like you completed the project, stop doing the project. We all have documentation, beautiful documentations. Just go there. Whenever you're stuck, or try Google, like try ChatGPT. You don't have to go to the whole course. You can take the main points, make notes, go to documentation, start building things. And point number 7 is to have a timer with you, because otherwise you will be, I'm not saying wasting, but you'll be spending a lot of time and you won't realize, and days will go, weeks will go, and you will feel like you're stuck. So whenever you try to do a tutorial or whenever you try to like go do a course, have a timer with you. Maybe like 40-45 minute timer, so that you know like I have 45 minutes, I need to cover these many topics. So you can skip that, you can use AI, but you can make a list of things, you can do projects, right? So you know what to do, rather than like you do for first 2-3 days and you're like, oh man, I don't want to complete that. Who has like 8 more hours? Like I don't have that much time. So these were the steps I took or I'm currently taking to shortcut my learning journey. I hope that also helps you. Thanks a lot for watching.